Are you tired of not taking care of your lawn properly? You tired of the neighbors complaining? You don't know what you're doing? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to introduce you to the lawn killer. Doesn't look like much, but this beautiful lawnmower takes care of all your problems. Don't even worry about your neighbors anymore. This baby has some special features you'll immediately notice. The first one is it don't stop at the normal frequency. It goes a little bit faster than your average household lawnmower. In fact, kind of scares me a little bit. But it won't scare you. It'll scare your neighbors though, and they will stop bothering you. It's the lawn killer. Nice thing. It'll take care of your yard, alright. You don't have to worry about your neighbors complaining to you anymore because they won't. Come on down, get your lawn killer today.